Alright, so we're going to do a quick video on how to program this jLD404 meter. First thing you do is you hit set, and then you go over. Let me get back to here. Alright, so here's the way it is when you first start up, and you push the set button, and then you get these, and then you come over here and you do the 36 code, which opens you up so that you can set the parameters for this. And the first thing you see is S shunt, and you hit on that, and it's set up for 5 amps. I have the shunt for a shunt, which is well, that's the 1 amp shunt, and here's the 750 millivolt shunt. That's the shunt. That's what we have. So we're going to set him for that. The next thing down on our list of things to set up, other way, is this is to adjust the offset. This is to adjust to calibrate it, and this is our decimal. And we're not going to have any decimal at all because we're measuring high current. So we put 0 decimals. Now we keep on going up. Our next is our voltage, and they use a small u for voltage, and it's on the 500 volt scale, so that's good. Now oh, I wonder if they got a. All right, so you can actually set this, let's say, to dot. There it is. I think it's 1 dot. All right, yeah. So we got 1 dot on our decimal for our voltage. Now I'm going to get out of here and just see how our meter is reading, because we still have to calibrate it. Okay, so there's our voltage, 163, and I'll need to check that with a voltmeter and then recalibrate it. Now it shows that we're charging. I'm charging right now at 22 amps. I know that because I got a clamp-on meter on the thing, and it says we're charging at 180 amps, which is definitely not the case. So we've got to go back and calibrate our meter, and this ends up taking a lot of time because you got to do it many times to get it right, as you will see. It's kind of a whack-a-mole. So we come over here to too far, and this is a ratio, and I'm going to say that our ratio is off by 10, a factor of 10 to start with. I'll put a 1 there. Let's just see what that. Now we got to go back and see what how close that brought us to our amperage. And now you see I'm at 3 amps now, and we know that's not right. So we're somewhere in between 180 and 3. So we go back again, and every time we have to go back in with our secret code, which would have been nice if they just had a 1 letter, but so 100 was definitely not it. I'm going to try putting a 1 there. $39. We're getting closer. We're still a little high. So we're more than a little high. We're about half off. So that's my wife is calling me on the phone right now.
Call from Audrey.